Okay, you guys, it is John Watson 45 here, 23 system. You already know, tree speaker. And I created my first game on Scratch. I watched the tutorial, and what I did is I had copied like what I seen in the tutorial, but I put some of my own designs and some of my own art in here. As y'all can see, I got the Greens Among Us character, and that's how I'm going to leave it. So I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of what I did as far as the coding goes. So right now I am teaching myself how to code, which is really, really hard when you don't have a teacher to guide you after you make a correction. So it took a while, but I'm trying to slide over and I can't. So as you can see, I got the define subtraction. That was the hardest thing for me, is the subtraction. I don't know why, but it was so hard for me to create the subtraction. It was really easy for me to create the multiplication and the addition and the division. And it was pretty simple as far as the buttons go. So just like that, I had to create these sprites on my own. As you can see, it's just a few of them. The quit button, and then I didn't do the random button, so that's not going to be a part of the game. So, anyways, let's go ahead, and I want to back out of this because I did publish it, so you guys will be able to play it. Oh wait, there's one thing that I wanted to show you guys. The thing that I like about this is that I can change the variables and I can change the numbers that I want to be added randomly, like the numbers that's picked. So what I can do is, like for multiplication, I have pick random number 1 through 10. Depending on what my students need at the time, I can actually come in and change it, as opposed to if I was like sharing a game with them that somebody else had the code to and owned the code to. I would not be able to do that. But there is some games that let you choose like what number you want to, multiply up to. But this way I have like full control over that. So I'm trying to get, over here into the addition. So like if I want my students to do addition within like a lower number, I can. So I can just pick a random number between 1 through 20, for example. If I want them working on single digit to single digit or double digit to double digit addition, depending on where they are. So right now I want them working on double digit to single digit addition. And so I'm going to change this one to, and this is the block that defines addition. I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to, let's see what I got over here. Oh, I had put the speech to, or text to speech on here for my students too. And that's something that I kind of did on my own, because the tutorial didn't have that extension, but I did add that extension to Scratch, and then I just put it in the place of where the words will be. So let's go into it. I'm going to save that. Then I'm going to click on it. And this is how it's going to look in Scratch. So like if I want my students to play this, like it'll look like this. Among Us Math.
Let's play a math game. Choose an operation. Answer the following questions. Press the quit button to stop all questions.
Okay, so the addition is working really good. The division.
Good job, you are correct.
Okay, you see how it says that? I gotta move the score because I can't even see that. But it's 47.
Good job, you are correct.
Okay, so if I get it wrong, I'm gonna get this one wrong on purpose. I'm gonna say 34. This is what you hear.
Try again.
Okay, now let's do the subtraction and see if, in order to stop it and do another one, you have to push the stop sign and then go into it. So like subtraction is working.
Good job, you are correct.
And really quick, I'm gonna show you guys the multiplication. 7 multiplied by 8 is 56.
Good job, you are correct.
Okay. So the division is the one that's really not working well.